What's up, guys? Alright, man, this will be my first time starting her up after reassembling her. You know, first I fucking disassembled her. Nothing worked because I had no compression when I reassembled her. Then I had to put it back together. You know, Paul Beck, by the way, thanks so much for helping me out on that one. You know, you're fucking great. And now everything is put back together one more time. And yeah, I hope I have compression now. Let's get us started. Let's see if it fucking works. I'm fucking super nervous. Really fucking nervous. You have no idea, I almost shit my pants. But that's okay. You know. Alright, man, I would say let's go fire her up. Let's see if she's gonna explode in my face or something like that. Well, that sounds good. Alright, she's in neutral. Should I do it? Are you nervous? I'm fucking nervous, dude. It's my first time disassembling an engine and putting it back together. Alright, man, let's do it. What the fuck? It fucking works.